He's looking forward to seeing the new movie. 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 Anh ấy mong đợi xem phim mới. It seems like he's in a hurry. 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 Có vẻ anh ấy đang vội. It seems like he's in a hurry. The thing is, he doesn't understand. 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 Vấn đề là anh ấy không hiểu. The thing is, he doesn't understand. The thing is, it's too late now. 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 Chuyện là bây giờ đã quá muộn. The thing is, it's too late now. The thing is, I don't know what to say. The thing is, I don't know what to say. The thing is, I don't know what to say. The thing is, I don't know what to say. The thing is, I don't know what to say. The thing is, I don't know what to say. Vấn đề là tôi không biết nói gì cả. The thing is, I don't know what to say. The thing is, I forgot to buy milk. 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 Vấn đề là tôi quên mua sữa rồi. The thing is, I forgot to buy milk. The thing is, we are running out of time. The thing is, we're 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 running out of time. Chuyện là chúng ta sắp hết giờ rồi. The thing is, we are running out of time. I'm used to working under pressure. 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 Tôi quen làm việc dưới áp lực. She's used to speaking in public. 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 Cô ấy quen nói trước đám đông. She's looking forward to her birthday party. 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 Cô ấy mong chờ bữa tiệc sinh nhật. The thing is, I don't feel ready. 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 Vấn đề là tôi chưa sẵn sàng. The thing is, I don't feel ready. It seems like you're having fun. 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 Trông như bạn đang vui lắm. It seems like you're having fun. He's used to driving in heavy traffic. 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 Anh ấy quen lái xe trong tình trạng kẹt xe. I'm used to eating spicy food. 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 Tôi quen ăn đồ cay. I'm used to taking long walks. 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 Tôi quen đi bộ đường dài. She can't stand being late. 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 Cô ấy không chịu được việc đến muộn. The thing is, she doesn't like spicy food. 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 Chuyện là cô ấy không thích đồ ăn cay. The thing is, she doesn't like spicy food. It seems like a nice place. 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 Chỗ này trông có vẻ dễ chịu. It seems like a nice place. He's used to living in a small apartment. 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 Anh ấy quen sống trong căn hộ nhỏ. I'm looking forward to traveling next month. 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 Tôi mong được đi du lịch tháng tới. I'm looking forward to meeting you. 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 Tôi mong được gặp bạn.